Hello friends, today we will derive the mathematical form of decay law. So this is what we will derive. So according to decay law, now we will equate and there is a constant lambda. This constant lambda is the decay constant, which is the disintegration constant. Okay, this is the disintegration constant, and this is also called decay constant. Okay, now what we'll do, just we'll do a simple integration. So dn by n is equal to minus lambda dt. Now we'll do the integration inside. Okay, after doing the integration, we'll left with the log en equal to lambda minus lambda, and the integration of dt is t. Okay, plus k is the constant. So when we put t equal to 0, then n is equal to n naught. So log en naught equal to k. Now put the value of k in this. So log e equal to minus log e and naught. Okay, now what we'll do, so this will happen log e and naught minus lambda t and log n by n naught. Okay, minus lambda t. Now what we'll do, now we will take a exponential. Okay, after for taking the exponential both side, then log will cancel and e to the power minus lambda t will left with. Okay, and n equal to in this. So we'll have our equation this. Proved. Thank you. Just take a look.